Hello and welcome to our RYOBI garden. Today we're looking at RYOBI's Max Power Cordless 25cm pole saw. This is the perfect solution for cutting and pruning hard to reach, high branches without using a ladder. Inside the box, along with the pole saw, you'll get a 25cm bar and chain, a bar sheath to protect the pole saw, a harness to support you whilst operating the tool, a hex key to adjust chain tensioning, and a 76ml chain oil bottle. And depending on the kit you purchase, you may get a battery and a charger. This is our pole saw with the largest bar size. The bar is 25cm long, allowing you to cut branches of up to 20cm in diameter. This pole saw is part of our Max Power platform, which offers all the performance of a petrol tool with all the convenience of battery power. The 5 meters per second chain speed means you can cut branches quickly and efficiently. Pole saws are an essential tool for tree maintenance, ideal for pruning tall trees to keep them healthy and for removing dead wood and diseases before they can spread. You no longer need to take risks by trying to reach inaccessible branches from the top of an unsteady ladder. With a total length of 2.9 meters when fully assembled, you can make light work of high branches whilst keeping both feet firmly on the ground. However, you won't always need the full 2.9 meters, which is why the middle pole is removable to make cutting lower branches easier. The rigid steel poles, pivoting handle, and the included harness work together to provide maximum control and support when cutting. The tool even features a branch hook, which allows you to remove any loose cuttings at height. The unit also includes an automatic bar and chain oiling system, keeping your chain perfectly oiled so they stay sharp for longer and don't heat up whilst cutting. You just fill the tank and the saw does the rest. This tool is extremely energy efficient, so you can make up to 56 cuts using just a 2 amp hour battery. And as part of the Max Power system, this saw can be powered by any battery from the Max Power range, so you can use your batteries interchangeably with all of your Max Power outdoor tools. So there you have the Max Power Cordless 25cm pole saw, RYOBI's answer to powerful cutting in hard to reach areas. Make sure to explore our range of wood cutting accessories such as our chains and gloves.